What's going on, folks? It's your big bro TREN. You tuned in again to the right video. Don't change this video because I'm about to tell y'all why AI is ruining us, okay? AI is ruining everything in our life right now, folks. And I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it's the truth. It's what's really going on. But a lot of people don't see this, okay? But first and foremost, thank you so much for tuning in back into the channel again. Chosen Ones, Star Seeds, everybody that subscribed to me. We closing in on 300,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy, but I'm also worried, okay? And I'm about to tell you why. But yeah, I got my shirt off today, y'all. It's 103 degrees outside out here where I stay at. I just came from outside. I had a tank top on. You can see the tan on my body right here just by me being outside for 10 minutes. Look, I'm dark over here, light right here, because I literally just went outside and got a tan just that quick out here in Arizona. But anyway, stay tuned to the end of this video, man. I got a very special message I want to tell you at the end. You got to listen to what I got to say, okay? Because I'm going through something right now, and I hope I'm not tripping, all right? Anyway, listen, man. Folks, haven't you noticed that AI is taking over everything? AI is taking over our lives, man. I went out yesterday and I went to Chipotle to get me a rice bowl. And I was just waiting in line, and I just looking around at people that was just sitting there eating stuff with their friends on their lunch breaks. And I'm just like looking like, it's like everybody was just eating, like scrolling their phone, like just eating, just scrolling. You know, if it was a couple in there, the couple was the boy was right here, the girl's right there. They was just both on their phone, just eating. And I'm just looking around like, wow, we are really in a matrix. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, this AI is taking over people's lives so much that I don't even think people want to think anymore, because you got artificial intelligence, you got Google. If you want to know something nowadays, you know what people do? They don't go get the books. They don't read books. They don't do research. They Google it and let AI do the work and tell them what is what. It's crazy, man. AI is ruining our lives. I don't know if you got like a Alexa. Do you use Alexa or do you use Siri? And you be like, I don't want to say nothing because I got one too. I got one too in here, but I really do feel like them devices, man, they constantly listening to us. If you got Alexa or Siri, they constantly listening to you. Like I got Siri on this Apple Watch, even though I didn't say hey Siri yet. See, I said it though, but she didn't say nothing. They still are listening constantly all throughout your home. If you got a Tesla, if you got a car that got like all those type of gadgets in it, that car is listening to you. It's listening. And they collecting data all the time. You know what I mean? And what it's doing, it's turning our society into like, it's making people more robotical. Haven't you noticed that people have gotten more robotical like behavior type like people? Like, I'm dead serious. People have become like soulless. It's almost like people are losing their souls and are becoming more cold-hearted, and they are caring less about human interaction. They just, as long as they got that device, as long as they got they device and they cell phones and they gadgets and they Oculus glasses and they smart cars and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It's like people don't want to have nothing to do with you as a human. People don't even care about each other's feelings no more, because everything they want is right there on AI. And then they got this thing too now called Chat GPT, y'all. That mug is smart. It's smart. I mean, you can tell Chat GPT, or I think they got another one called Google Gemini. Okay, if you go to the Google app on your applications and you click that top little thing up there to say Gemini, you can switch it to Gemini and tell Gemini what you want it to do, and it'll write out some stuff for you and make you sound like you just graduated with a PhD, man. And you can just send it to somebody and they'll be like, wow, he's very smart. Wow, she is very, very intelligent. Like, that's what this AI can do. I'm telling y'all, and it's taking over all the jobs. If you got a job out there where you out there in the workforce and you like on the job right now, you working with your hands, I don't care what you do. You could be a truck driver. It don't matter. They got automatic trucks they about to come out with that's driving freight from city to city. They gonna lose their jobs. You know why? Because even in the trucking industry right now, carrying loads is even down. Because again, They want to transition from actual workers to robotical stuff. So like I said, if you in an industrial plant right now, or a mill, or a factory, or if you work out somewhere, customer service, you behind a desk and stuff like that, y'all not gonna have jobs for too long. I'm just keeping it real, because AI is ruining everything. AI is taking over your jobs. They want you to stay at home, don't do nothing, and depend on robots. And then they're gonna pay you a stimulus check with the amount of money that they want to pay you. You're not going to be able to go get overtime and work over at your job no more, because the robots is going to be there. The robots are going to do a better job than you. The robots is going to do it more effective than you. It's going to do it more efficiently. And the robots ain't going to be calling out sick. They can't be sick. They not going to miss a day of work. That's why, and they cheaper. And then another thing, when it comes down to AI, the AI doesn't miss a peep. Everything is licked up out the bowl, if you know what I mean, when it comes to money. AI does not miss a dollar. Why you think they changing the currency over to digital currency? And this is why I be telling y'all hard-headed selves. I be trying to tell y'all stuff sometimes, but I don't think the rest of the half of y'all listening. But this is why I be telling y'all to get in crypto with me, because I can foresee sometimes where things are going, and this is where it's going, into digital currency. You know why? Because they can keep track of it. It's robotical. A robot is going to be doing this stuff behind. It ain't going to be banks no more. It's going to be robots behind AI that's exchanging money on the crypto exchange. A robot. It's not going to be nobody at the bank. Even when you go nowadays, when you go into a local branch of your bank, it's like 2 people working in there, y'all, because they already know what's up. When you go into your local grocery store, it ain't no cash. It got 100 cash registers. It ain't no cashiers. Everybody is in self-checkout. Old people don't even know how to use self-checkout. I'm telling you, this is what they going into, if y'all don't believe me. Okay, and I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news. I might be wrong. This is just my conspiracy theory, okay? But if you believe, if you think about it, then all them jabs that everybody took, I wouldn't be surprised if it was nanochips inside of that liquid. Y'all know what nanochips is, right? A nanochip you can't even see. A nanochip is so small, it look like a germ. A germ is so small and tiny, you got to have a microscope to look and see the germ. You can't even pick it out with your own 2 eyes. You feel me? A nanochip is the same type of size as that. It's like, it's beyond a blip of matter. Okay? And you know what I'm saying? And I wouldn't be surprised if they put that inside of food too. I wouldn't be surprised if they put it inside of drinks, food, jab shots, everything, bro. They got that kind of technology. And like I said, this is why I know AI is ruining everything. If you don't think about, have you ever had somebody call your phone right after you thought about them? Or right when you thought about that person, they called your phone? How you know that ain't AI controlling y'all? How you know that ain't AI telling your homeboy, hey, call TREN? And then you call TREN, and then TREN was like, oh, bro, I thought about you to call me. How you know AI? How you know they didn't hijack you to make you call somebody or make you do something? How you know they're not able to hijack you at this point? That's how powerful AI is becoming. AI is becoming so powerful that people don't even have to think no more. I'm telling you, man, people are becoming brainless, y'all. Heartless, soulless. And then another thing they doing too, AI is taking over the chosen ones movement. And this is why I'm about to need y'all help right here. AI is taking over the chosen ones movement. I don't know if you noticed, y'all, and this is why I be trying to tell y'all all the time. Y'all got to help a brother out. Okay? It's 300,000 people that subscribe to me. That's equivalent to 3 college football fields filled to capacity. That's a lot of people, y'all. 300,000 of y'all out there, and it's one me. I'm just the mailman for chosen ones. I'm just the spokesperson. I'm not the greatest person in the world. I'm not better than you, nothing. But all I'm saying is, if we got 300,000 people in one building and we all cramped together and can barely move, don't you think that we need to expand our horizon and get a bigger building, y'all? Especially if we say we are the elect few and we are the only ones that need to stick together. Because I know a lot of y'all out there been sending me messages like, big bro TREN, man, we need to stick together. We need to come together. Well, what do you think I've been doing over here? And y'all know I've been doing it. I've been trying to bring the retreats together. Nobody showed up for that. Nobody want to pay for that. I tried to create memberships so that we can keep the channel thriving. Nobody signed up for that. I'm trying to tell y'all about crypto, so I'm trying to teach y'all how to get in here and try to learn how this market works, because I can see where AI is going. Nobody cares about it. Like, what's up with people who are very spiritual and who are God-fearing people but don't want to make any real powerful moves? Why we always let the enemy win? It's like the enemy is more, the enemy takes initiative to make things happen, even though they're not the right kind of people for the job. But it's like the most spiritual people or the most chosen people are the ones that just talk and sit back and just let it happen. I don't really understand that concept, because I'm the type of dude, if I see a cause that I messes with, and I see if I'm subscribed to some guys on my subscription list and whatnot, man, anytime they call for action, I'm on it, because I really messes with them dudes. But I'm starting to worry about y'all on this team right here, y'all. We got all these chosen one AI channels out here taking over. They taking over the chosen one's niche. Because, you know why? Because the chosen one, the real people, aren't coming together like and unifying and harmonizing the way that they supposed to. All right? So with all that being said, folks, I told you to stay tuned to the end of this video. AI it's ruining everything, and it's gonna ruin us all and keep us divided and never be able to come together if we don't take initiative right now and help resolve this situation as we come into another breakthrough, y'all. Okay? Y'all remember, did you used to go to church when you grew up? I'm pretty sure you went to church when you grew up, right? Do you remember when the pastor was always like, all right, people that's really a part of the congregation or people that's a part of the committee, please stay after. We got to talk business. Remember, they was in there talking business about things that the people in the church didn't even know nothing about. Why? Because at the end of the day, things have to still be done that is behind the scenes. And that's where we at, y'all. We approaching the 300,000 mark. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. But y'all, I'm the only one in the middle of the field orchestrating this whole thing. If I can have some really diehard people out there that's really standing up for this whole cause of chosen ones, and you really don't want AI to take over to where we become robotical individuals who just talk about being a chosen one, then I'm really asking you to step up and help me get some things done, okay? Capital-wise, okay? Please contribute to this channel, because that's the only way, folks, I'm gonna be able to open doors for different things. Like I told y'all, a company hit me up and was like, TREN, I'm willing to help you and all the people that deals with you to go on retreats. We'll have hotel rooms, we'll do this, we'll plan it out, we'll make the itinerary. I couldn't even do that, y'all, when I told y'all that back 2 months ago, because nobody reached out. Nobody wanted to make the moves. So we can't be like this, y'all. We can't just continue to sit back and let the enemy just win every year after year after year. The enemy been winning for so long, and we so quick to give them credit. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm coming up on 300,000. Some people look at it as like, oh my God, TREN, you work really hard. I work really hard, but I wouldn't be here without you. But I'm saying it all to say, folks, if there are some really good pledgers out there that want to make a pledge to this channel, I got to raise 5K. I believe we can do that. If we can raise 5K, I can open some more doors. Just like how I got the Discord group where it's 24/7, 365, where y'all can get in that Discord group when y'all be in there talking. Some of y'all don't know about it, but it's a Discord group that I'll be having in the comment section that you can join. I pay for that. It's free. It's on me. And a list of other things that I do to keep chosen ones unified and together. Okay? Folks, I'm in my trunk. I can't be the only one doing it. I can't, folks. I really need y'all help. Okay? This is where we, as a part of this channel, this is where we have to step up. We are our own one entity. Okay? Everybody else is enemies. We are our own one entity. If you watch this channel, then you are a part of this collective consciousness. If I don't feel good, you don't feel good. Okay? If you're not doing good, I'm going to notice it. Okay? So this has been the end of the church meeting, after the church service meeting. Okay? And I'm letting you know, I need some real good pledges out there, folks. I'm going to keep hassling you about it until we get over this hump. Okay? We need your assistance, okay? TREN, big bro, I need your assistance. See, one thing y'all gotta understand about me, folks, I'm not like all these other creators. Most people play a role, and they act like they some daily TV show, and they can't show you what's going on behind the scenes. I'm different. I'm real. I don't got to be like everybody else. I don't got to put the makeup on. I don't got to wear the shirt. I don't got to act like I'm goody two shoes. That's what they got to do. I'm able to be real with you and let you know what's really going on behind the church. You understand? It's like church, you know, I ain't Creflo Dollar in them, you know what I'm saying? I'm really letting you know this is where it's at, this is where we stand, this is what we need to do, this is what I'm gonna do with it. All right? I need your pledges, I need your assistance, I need your contribution, y'all. This channel is getting too big for me to carry all by myself, okay? AI recognizes everything that y'all do, whether that's pressing likes, leaving comments, how long you watch, what you're saying in the comments. AI is not impressed. That's all I got to say. And AI is taking over chosen ones. If y'all don't believe me, go look at all the other videos they got out there where ain't nobody behind the screen. It's just a robot talking, because they got the robots now. They can pretend to be like a chosen one and tell all the other chosen ones what to do. Let's not let that take over this niche, okay? Let's come together. Let's unify. I'm going to put my Stripe link and my PayPal link at the bottom, y'all. At the bottom, in the top of the comments. It's going to be at the top of the comments, okay? Give, okay? And I'm asking that with all sincerity. Give, so I can take that and I can utilize it and push us over this 300K mark. And I can open up some doors for us. And we just might be getting a retreat this year. I really want to do that. But if we don't do nothing about it, I'm not going to do nothing about it. I'm just going to have to go and start up these other channels and talk about totally different things. And I really don't want to do that. So thank you so much for tuning in, man. It's your big bro TREN. AI is ruining everything. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.